Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. Hope you guys are doing well and a happy New Year's to you guys. So currently, I'm going to just give you guys a quick breakdown of my portfolio of doing cash secure put and covered calls. Right now, stock market obviously not doing so well if you've been following the stock market, but I'm still going to just, put some money into it and see if I can make some more money out of it. So currently, I'm going to go through a couple transactions and I'll let you know which ones are winners and which ones are losers. So what I want to do is go over Neo real quick. So last time I did a cash secure put on it, strike price at a $28 and expirations January 21st. So if I go back to Neo's doing pretty well, I should say. Right over here, just type in Neo, find Neo, and let me go through the charts right over here. So currently, Neo is trading around, $31.62 with the strike of 28. So that one's making me money. And so far, pins, if you look at pins right now, sorry, it's out of screen. So I'm currently at 200 shares. I'm not doing anything with it right now. The price per share is around $42.10. If I look back and type in over here, pins right over here, and right now pins are trading at $34.56, and I'm losing thousands of dollars on this. But you know what, since we're on here, we're gonna do a trade and execute this in live. So right now I'm gonna do a cover call actually. So what I'm gonna do, sorry if I'm rumbling too fast, I just want to let you know of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna click on options, do a call right over here. So if you've been following me, you should be able to understand how to do a cover call or a cash secure put, just so you get an idea of it. If you're not, if you don't understand that, feel free to watch my other videos, and they're in the description. I'll link them in the description. So I'm going to do let's say 30-day out, February 11th on a cover call on pins. So I'm going to just hit 30 days and let's see how far out I'm going to just, so currently I know that I have to be over, let's say do 45. Typically, if I do 45, I'm going to make money. Anything that's above this price, $42.10, I'll be making money. So I want to stay, in the mid 40s. Let's see. I'm going to scroll down over here. So 40 right over here. Let's do 44. So I'm going to do a cover call, basically meaning that since I have 200 shares in place, I'm going to do two options trade on this. So basically, if pins never reaches $44, I'll be making money, and and you can see this right now. So right now I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna be actually selling. So call right over here. Where is my trade chart? Trade right over here, and let's see. So I'm gonna be selling, and then quantity I'm gonna put 2. Usually I just put limits. Just make sure everything's okay. The volume is not that great, but hopefully it'll execute out. So limit price. Oh, actually, hold on 1 second. That was not the right chart. That was just buying the stock. So this is the right chart right over here. I'm gonna do quantity 2 right over here. I'm gonna be selling because I'm selling my my shares. So selling 2 of them, and then I'm gonna do limit price is 0.4. So the last price was 0.7, mid price is point. Let's see, let's do 0.5, and hopefully it'll execute. If not, I'll just change it. Actually, I'm gonna do 0.48 right over here. Time and forest day, and then max profit is $96. Hopefully it'll execute. If not, I'm just gonna have to redo it. Place order. If everything sells, you're going to sell two options, basically 100 shares of pins. Two options times 100 is 200 shares, which is currently what I have of pins at $44 per share on or before the 11th of February. If you aren't asked to sell pins by then, you will keep your collateral and the full $96 in credit. So I'm gonna hit sell. And let's see, now it's in the working right now. It's just going to be in the working order. So we'll revisit this back if it doesn't even sell. Actually, I was just trying to make it sell. It's going to modify order right now. Modify. And this is how you modify it. If just in case you don't know how to modify an order, I'm going to do, let's see, a little bit lower. So, it dropped down to actually 44. Dang, that sucks. Okay, let's do 45. Unless hopefully it'll execute. 45 and hit sell. Okay, it got executed. It got filled actually. So now filled my position. I have actually it just went filled. So go over here. Let's see. Yeah, 45 right over here. So I'm gonna just mark this down and speed wrap this. So there you go. I did a cover call with a 44 strike with the expiration date that's 30 days out, so which is February 11th. 200 shares. Got a credit of 45 each for the contract, and a total of premium collected $90. So it brings my running profit right over here, $670. And again, you know, this is what I invested in just to, you know, get a sign. And basically it brings my price per share down a little bit, so make some money on the other end. If not, I'm gonna still doing cover calls. I know the market is a little bit crazy. Every stock seems to, all the tech stocks seems to be down. So that's it for pins. I'm going to move on to Palantir and see what's up. So Palantir, I did cash secure put, $17.50 on the strike. Expiration date almost coming up, January 21st. So I'm going to move this out of the way and type in Palantir and see where that is at right now. And it's not looking good, I'm telling you. So Palantir, right over here, and let's see the charts right over here. $16.73. So I am losing, you know, about about less than $100 or so right now currently for the options. So, but what I'm gonna do is do this. I know this sounds crazy, but hear me out. Right over here. Okay, so Palantir is just dropping. I know that I said that in the past, like there's a there's a support right over here at around like the $18 or around $18 or so. If it breaks, it's gonna just drop. And then right now it seems like I'm catching like a, you know, just a hot knife because it's keep on dropping, but then now it's, yeah, I don't know where it's gonna go. But at the same time, the lowest price is $50, around $15. What I'm going to do is do another cash secure put on this one. I know I'm throwing a bunch of money into it, but I strongly believe in Palantir actually. So what I'm going to do is buy 2 more options on, let's say, option. And let's do a 30-day with a put right over here. So cash secure put and February 11th. And what I'm going to do is look for around a delta, let's see, right over here, 15.5, because if you go back here, support is right, there's a new support over here. It's not gonna go 15, it dropped all the way to 15.35. I want to assume that it's not gonna go below all the way down to 14. Maybe it can, maybe it will, but never know. But long-term play, like I said, gonna keep it for a long run. So I'm gonna do 2 more two more cash secure puts. Sorry, I'm rumbling off. Where is 15.5? Right over here, around that price. Click on that. I'm gonna be selling. So trade right over here. I'm gonna be selling. Let's do 2, and we are looking around 15. Let's see, mid price 15 to 5.6. Let's do 5.56. 0.56 right over here, and let's see how much we're gonna be making for that month. So 0.56 divided by 15.5, that's about a 3.6% return. So I'm happy with the 3.6% return, but granted, going back here for this cash secure put, I might exit out this position and just let it ride through the next cash secure put, because maybe I want to hold it, maybe I don't want to hold it. I don't know how it's going to go. Right now, I'm just losing less than $100 on this trade right over here. So let's see how next week goes, and I'll keep you updated on that. So I'm going to go ahead and do a sell right on, and it seems like everything checks out. Let's see, double check the mid price. Let's see, and just place an order. So right now, I am going to profit $112 if this actually goes through. So I'm going to be selling that, and let's go. Let's see if it goes through. And it's not working, and it didn't go through. Let me modify the order real quick. See, it's not off. Finding games right over here. So let's go. Oh, actually dropped down to 54. Okay, let's go 54 then. And modify order. Sell. And it got filled. So that got filled. So I'm in the working. So I'm going to update this chart, and you can see So now it brings my running profit right over here to $222. But again, like I said, this one right over here, this cash secure put is losing money. I might exit out this position next week. So who knows? So lastly, there's a new stock in play. I'm going to do Zillow. And if you don't know what Zillow is, it's just basically a real estate website that allows buyers to go onto the website and search for properties to buy. So it's just basically in the real estate department. I'm pretty sure if you are ever interested in real estate, buying a property or selling a property, you go on Zillow, because sometimes you go, there's Zestimate, and you know that part might not be accurate as what you think. But anyways, scratch that. Zillow has a really been taking a beating for these past couple of months, so I'll let you know it's really bad. So chart right over here, and the reason why I'm going in is because it's taking a lot of beating. I know I'm just catching a falling knife right now at this point. So at its all-time highs, like all the way up here, like the 200 something ish, and then keep on declining. Almost lost a ton of value right over here. So currently, right now, it's like trading around $57. I'm gonna go in and see if I could get a cash secure put in. And you know what happened this morning? I actually did place an order without even checking the volume. And check this out. If I go to options, I did a actually right over here. Check this out. I place an option, a contract cash secure put right over a strike of 53, right? And if you go over, hover over volume and interest, it's super duper low. I didn't see that, and I got in. Now I'm down like 17%. If I go down here, so this was a wrong move. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a wrong move or not, but still, I could have gotten a better price. But I'm down 11% today. Lost $25. So I got it in at a average price of $2.19, and right now the last price is $2.44, $2.43. So I'm losing money. I did a mistake. I didn't check the volume. I just I thought the volume is gonna be a lot for Zillow, but for dumb me, I didn't check my mistake. But I actually like the company itself, but it's just that it has a lot of publicity around it, a lot of negative news recently, and it just kept on falling. But granted, I think that Zillow is gonna come back up anytime soon. If I go back to the chart right over here, they have a support right over here around like 50, 52-ish, 53-ish right over here. If it breaks that support, then it's gonna just keep tumbling down. So hopefully it doesn't do that to me, but you never know. That's why you never risk a lot of money into an investment. This is just, I guess, I don't want to say play money, but it's just some money that I could afford to lose if it ever drops below that price. And granted, I know Zillow's been taking a huge beating. Look at this chart. It's just really bad. And then you might think, why are you buying this? Buying Zillow, trying to buy Zillow, but I just honestly believe that the internet technology is the thing, and not a lot of people are gonna rely on traditional brokers to do their research. They could just go on Zillow to do their research if they wanted to. So I think that's the future, but who knows? So here's my cash secure put on this 53 strike, February 11th expiration. Just bought one option, so which is 100 share, credit $219, and so far running profits right here over here is $219. So there you have it. That's my portfolio right now for the cash secure put and cover calls. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know down below, and I'll keep you updated in a week or two about my portfolio. And granted, anything I do here will just be updated here if I were to decide to exit out position. Just to let you know, and hope you guys have a happy New Year's. I'll catch you soon.